So hey guys, I'm here on location on Eastern Beach today where we're going to make some beautiful Moroccan lamb. First, ask your butcher for around 1 kilogram of deboned lamb leg. Then slice and crush a garlic and rub all over your lamb. In a bowl, pour a generous amount of olive oil, dice up a garlic clove into small little bits and mix together. Then cut into the fat of your meat and cover it in the olive oil and garlic. Massage in the marinade and tear away some thyme. Generously sprinkle Raz El Hanout to give your lamb an amazing fragrance of rose petals, ginger, lavender and other beautifully blended spices. Once completely marinated, place over a barbecue, fat side first, and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes, flipping over occasionally until cooked and charred. All that's left now is to slice and enjoy with friends. Bon appetit!